let's talk about couponing today. There is a new age of couponing in town, and it is not going to take you a ton of time to actually save some money and make a little bit of couponing work to help you stretch your budget even further. Extreme couponing is out the door. It doesn't make sense for anyone anymore. Who has that much time? But when things are tight and you are trying to make every single penny count, casual couponing is what you need. I found a way to make couponing a quick, simple process, maybe 15 minutes a week max, and it could help you save a couple $100s a month. That is what I want to teach you today. Welcome back, Pearls. This is Pennies into Pearls, where you are going to learn how to live your pearl life. What that means is more than just frugal living. It's about learning the simple steps and changes that you are going to make today that are going to end up making all the difference when it comes to your long-term goals. And we're talking about goals here. We're thinking big. We are talking about achieving those goals that maybe today don't even seem possible. You are going to be able to make them happen. And a big part of that plays into how you're spending your money. So if you're interested in learning different tips and tricks on how to make that happen, consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's get back to couponing. So why couponing? I thought it was a time in the past. People don't coupon anymore, right? Wrongo! When hubby and I were trying to get out of over $20,000 in debt, we were intense on putting every single extra dollar, penny, half cent that we could towards that debt. So when you have an extreme goal that you are passionate about and you know that that goal is going to be life-changing for you, you want to get serious about it. And that's how we felt when we were trying to dig our way out of that debt. And one of the big things that helped us get there was actually couponing. Couponing doesn't have to be this long, extensive process where you're scanning through hundreds of pages of coupons and hundreds of pages of sales every single week, spending hours and hours, and then heading to the grocery store and spending more hours there. It's not like that anymore. You're probably wondering, well, is it even worth my time? The answer to that question is up to you. You need to figure out what time is worth investing into a small amount of couponing and how that works with your family's customized budget. If you have questions on setting a customized budget, I'll leave a link for you guys down to a video and blog post that I have written out. And within there, I have a free beginner's guide to making a customized budget set for your family. Everybody's finances are different. Everybody's circumstances are different. And in that free printable, I walk you through how to make a budget for the last time so you stop breaking it and feeling like a failure. So check those links. For us, I do couponing kind of like in waves. When we're working towards a goal and we're being super, super strict and are working hard, that's usually a time when I revert back to couponing to save that extra cash and put it towards something that we're really excited about. So what is casual couponing? Casual couponing is a way for you to focus that couponing time on products that your family is actually going to use. We're not going to stock up on a 2-year supply of cough drops. That's not worth your time. And in the end, probably is a waste of money. Even if it's $5, it's a waste. So it's gonna end up taking a very small time commitment, but resulting in a huge savings. For me, it looks like about 10 to 15 minutes every week where I'm looking at the sales and stacking the coupons and the rebates and all of those things. And then probably another 15 to 20 minutes a week or every other week or once a month where I am doing my coupon shopping and I do that specific trip or incorporate it into my weekly grocery shopping trip to go out and actually purchase and use those coupons. There's a few steps and a few basic principles that you need to learn to be able to have a successful casual couponing trip. Step number 1 is you need to kind of learn what is a good price in your area. Every part of the country and every part of the world has different prices. Also, you're gonna have different coupons available in different areas as well. The first step to figuring out what is actually a good price, where do you even start? How do I know if this is a good price or not? Is you just need to start paying attention. In my monthly grocery hauls and in my monthly meal planning on a budget, I always teach my pearls that for every single item on your grocery list needs to have an estimated cost next to it. So you put what price you think it is, then when you're in the grocery store, you are looking at the price of every single item. If it's different from your estimated cost, then make note of it and then retotal at the bottom. The more you practice this habit, the better you'll be able to recognize what is a good price and what's not in your area. To get you started, there's a bunch of stock up price lists that you can find on Google. I usually use and refer back to the one from the Passionate Penny Pincher. I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. You go in there and it will have a list of a million different products, and it'll tell you what is a good price, a better price, and what's the best price. You're gonna wanna buy more when you see a best price and less when it's just like a price. Step number 2 is you're gonna wanna learn how to read price tags per unit. Depending on what store you're shopping at, stores sell the same product but in different quantities. So obviously, you're not gonna compare Costco prices directly to the prices that you might see at places like Walmart or Target, because Costco is selling a much bigger bulk. Price per unit means that what you're gonna do is take the price per package and divide that by how many units are within that package. So if we're talking about a mac and cheese, if you buy a 20 pack of mac and cheese at Costco, you're going to divide the price of the package divided by how many boxes of mac and cheese are in there, and then that's going to give you the price per, individual box of mac and cheese, and then that will allow you to compare that price for a single box to the same single box price that you might see at other stores. That will give you the price per unit. Creates a much more level playing field so you can compare apples to apples. My third tip for you guys is that you need to set a couponing budget. All the time, these sales are so tempting. It's so tempting because oh my goodness, my family uses that all the time and that's an amazing price. But if you don't have the cash already set aside, ready to go, it's not a good deal for your family. Going into debt or using money from your kids' college tuition is not a good reason to go coupon shopping. Setting a cash envelope aside for this is awesome. Our family puts away $40 every month for the next month's casual couponing. Setting a monthly cash allowance for couponing shopping is just gonna help you keep things a little bit under control so you don't go crazy and stock up on all these sales and fill your house with useless stuff. Now we're ready to start actually diving into how to use these coupons. A tip that I was given back when I was starting is to just pick one store that you're going to go couponing at and learn their couponing policy, because all stores have different couponing policies. How many coupons can you use per item? How many coupons can be used per grocery shopping trip? How many coupons can be used per household? Are you allowed to stack them with store coupons, rebates, all of these different things? Every store is different. It can get a little complicated, so just start with one store. Go to their website, search couponing policy, it'll come up. Read through it. It's not that complicated actually, and you'll get used to the rules really quickly as you start giving it a try. A few things to pay attention to as you're reading through the couponing policy. You want to pay attention to how many of the same coupon you can use per transaction. Look for the key phrasing for things like per household or per transaction. That's important. You want to pay attention to how many manufacturer coupons and how many store coupons can be used per shopping trip. And then you might also want to pay attention to their policy for overages. If you're using coupons that'll bring the total lower than $0, you want to pay attention to what their rules are on that. Let's talk about what are manufacturer coupons versus what are store coupons. Manufacturer coupons are probably coupons that you'll find like in the newspaper. Sometimes you find them actually in store. People are handing them out. These coupons are ones that are actually provided by the brand themselves. A completely separate topic would be a store coupon, and a lot of times you're able to stack a store coupon on top of a manufacturer coupon, and that is when you're going to start seeing some amazing savings. So store coupons, if you look at the top of each coupon, it'll usually say manufacturer's coupon or brand coupon, Kellogg's coupon, or if you're using a store coupon, it might say like Target coupon at the top. One word of caution is when you are searching for coupons on the actual store's website, you need to pay close attention to if it's manufacturer or store, because even though you're printing the coupon off of the store's website, sometimes it might actually be a manufacturer's coupon. So where can you find those clippable coupons? I really like to limit the time I spend actually physically clipping the coupons. Coupons like this you'll find in the newspaper. Most people don't have the newspaper. If I'm looking for a specific type of coupon that only comes in the newspaper, I'll ask a friend or family member to save their coupon for me that week. But you can also find coupons on the internet. Now there's so many places that you can look. This is where a lot of your time can get sucked up really fast. So be limited. Choose one place, and I like to use coupons.com. It's easy to use. You can use it on almost any mobile device and on your computer, and it's searchable. So I just go through my grocery list, search a couple things that I think might have a coupon, and if they're there, you just click it, print it, and clip it. Now what's super cool about coupons.com, now pay attention. This is where you're going to want to pay attention, you guys. You're usually allowed to print 2 of the same coupon per device. So if you have coupons.com on your phone, on your hubby's phone, on your iPad, and on your computer, ultimately you can print 2 of the same coupon per device. So what's that? If you have 4 different devices, you're gonna get 8 different coupons, and that's a great way to stock up if there's an amazing sale. Now there's also digital coupons. This is awesome because you don't need to spend all of your time printing and clipping out any coupons. It's as simple as just going onto the store's website and loading it onto your store's loyalty card. Most of the time, you can just do that from your phone within the store's app. Now, to make sure that you are saving a ton of money, let's talk about stacking the savings. The first way you can stack savings is stack a coupon with a cashback offer. I'm not talking about mail-in rebates because again, that just takes too much time and there's a lot of waiting and lag time. There are a lot of cashback apps out there, and I used to take the time to go through every single app and see how much money I could get back. I decided that wasn't worth my time. So I just chose one cashback offer, and you guys probably can already guess which one it is because it's my favorite. I talk about it all the time. It's Ibotta. The app is so easy to use. If you guys haven't tried Ibotta out yet, use the link in my description and you will automatically get $10 back after you claim your first rebate. So to stack the cashback offer with a coupon, anytime you have a coupon in hand, search the cashback app for the same product, and then you can get the cashback offer as well as redeem the coupon in store. Another way to stack the savings is to pay attention to the sale prices and in-store offers. It's good to use a coupon on a product with a normal price, but it's great to use a coupon on top of a product that is on sale. An in-store offer might look like getting a $5 store gift card back after you purchase a certain number of things. So Target does this all the time, which is why it's one of my favorite deals to find. So you could stack that with a coupon. So if I needed to buy 4 shampoos in order to get a $5 Target gift card back, what I could do is find 4 printable coupons and or 4 cashback offers, 1 for each of the 4 shampoos that I'm gonna buy. Now this is amazing because not only can you stack the printable coupons, the cashback offers, but you're also going to be getting a gift card back for the purchase. So the way I like to look at that price, so I can figure out the price per unit, is if it's a $5 gift card, I just divide the $5 gift card by the 4 items I have to purchase. So that's $1.25. So I count that $1.25 off of each of the individual 4 products. Does that make sense? Leave all your questions down in the comments. I will get to them because this is a video I've been promising for so long. And I really think it could help you guys save money to help you get to those long-term goals that we're talking about. Now, all those different ways for stacking can kind of get complicated, and it could take a lot of time for you to search the different stores, the different coupons, the different cashback offers, the different in-store offers. Well, why don't you just let somebody else do that for you? Hence, the crazy coupon lady. Do you guys remember them? They were huge back when it was extreme couponing, and they are still thriving and doing amazing right now. And what's even more awesome is they have an app now. So instead of sitting down, looking through all those million different things that you need to compare to see where you can find the very best deals, download the Crazy Coupon Lady app. You get to select what stores you want to watch. You can select what area of the country you're living in, and they will show you the best deals for what you've selected so you don't have to do all of that work. All right, so are you guys ready to start casual couponing? Not extreme couponers here. We are just going to do the least amount of work for the biggest bang for your buck so you guys can start saving more money. Just 15 minutes a week could help you save over $100 a month. 15 minutes is not a lot of time to save $100. So have I convinced you? Are you gonna give it a try? What are your questions? Let me know. Are you gonna do it or are you still skeptical? Let's talk about it down in the comments. If you found this video useful, helpful, insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.